Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 13. Please turn on the subtitles. After completion of the video, check the vocabulary in the description box. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is, quote, describe a special hotel you stayed in. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Where it is, what the hotel was like, why you went there, and explain how you felt about it. In these modern times, the hospitality industry is flourishing, especially in tourist destinations. Good hotels add much value to it as they make the vacation episode more exciting. Today I would like to share my experience of staying in one of the most popular hotels in India, the Taj Mahal Palace. This legendary hotel is situated in Mumbai, next to the Gateway of India. It is a 5-star luxury hotel which is not only popular among Indians, but also internationally known as a lot of foreigners visit here. The hotel looks like a grandeur palace with 6 floors and a big dome at the center. Apart from that, there was a portion of the hotel that was under construction, because that area of the hotel was charred after the 26/11 terrorist attacks. The security at the hotel was really strict. Everyone entering the hotel was thoroughly checked. I had gone with my family and we had a lavish stay there. My room was super spacious with the antique furniture, and it was located on the 3rd floor of the hotel. The windows of the room offered a beautiful view of the sea and the Gateway of India. The services provided by the hotel staff were highly appreciable. I had gone to Mumbai to attend my cousin's wedding. It was a 3-day event in Colaba, and few intimate ceremonies were also held at the same hotel we stayed in. Hence we chose this iconic hotel of India to make these days even more memorable. This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, are given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned.